The Perfect Turkey, Water Roasting 101.
Hello, turkey enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of water roasting ovens and how much water is necessary when cooking that delicious holiday centerpiece, your turkey. Remember, the right amount of water is key to the juiciness of your turkey.
What is a water roaster oven?
To start, let's understand what a water roaster oven is. This is a special type of oven that uses steam or moist heat to cook food. The benefit of using a water roaster is that it helps to keep your turkey moist during the long cooking process.
How much water should you use?
Now, the crucial part. How much water should you put in a water roaster oven when cooking a turkey? Typically, you should add about 2 cups of water to the roaster oven before placing your turkey in it. This amount should be sufficient to keep the turkey moist without causing the turkey to steam rather than roast. However, the exact amount may vary depending on the size of your turkey and the specifics of your roaster oven, so it's always a good idea to check the manufacturer's instructions.
Any tips for a perfectly roasted turkey?
Yes, indeed. Always ensure your oven is preheated before placing the turkey inside. It's also advisable to check the water level every hour to make sure the water hasn't all evaporated. If it's running low, don't hesitate to add a bit more. Another important point is to never overfill the water tray to avoid spillage or a potential drop in temperature which could affect the cooking process. Maintaining a balanced water level is essential for your turkey to roast properly. That's it, folks. Remember, the secret to a juicy, delicious turkey using a water roaster oven is maintaining the right amount of water throughout the cooking process. Enjoy your cooking, and we hope your turkey turns out as tasty as ever. Happy roasting!